am Erica McCray, elementary principal at Riverwalk Academy in South Carolina. I am a Milken Educator.
Not only are you all hitting high proficiency rates, but your growth, you're growing every single student who's sitting here. And you know, that doesn't happen by accident. That starts with amazing teachers.
The Milken Educator Awards, they go to the very best educators in the nation. You're wondering, what do you get? $25,000, that's right. Erica McCray.
After you become a Milken Educator, you are open to a world of opportunities and possibilities and having access to the most incredible educators in the nation. And she has so many exciting things that are in store for her next, and I can't wait to see what her next opportunities will be. Educators give their all every day. They work hard. They are making a difference. And it is important for them to know that the work they are doing matters. I was awarded $25,000 as the Milken Educator for 2025. Congratulations, Mommy! Thank you, Caitlin.